Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm finally making a vlog after so long. I'm so sorry for that, but this vlog is very special. We are heading to Turkey and we are all set, leaving for airport. So yeah, I'll take you guys along. I hope you guys will enjoy the vlogs and we're gonna have a good time. So I'm very excited and looking forward to it. So yeah, that's it. All set, everyone's set and we're leaving. जी तो हम एयरपोर्ट के लिए निकल गए हैं और मैं अपने आप को देख रही हूँ और प्लीज़ 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 मेरी वॉइस को इग्नोर करें बिकॉज़ वी केम बैक एंड आई गॉट सिक और अभी मैं व्लॉग एडिट कर रही हूँ, वॉइस ओवर कर रही हूँ, तो मेरी आवाज़ काफ़ी ज़्यादा ख़राब है बिकॉज़ आई एम सिक बट या सो वी हैव रीच्ड एयरपोर्ट. आई डिडंट नो कि एयरपोर्ट पे फिल्म करना अलाउ नहीं है. दिस वाज अ न्यू रूल और ये बहुत बैड सीन था. So guys, we have reached airport and just getting the things done. I'm super excited. आपको तो पता है हम बहुत ही बड़ी चीटर हैं, तो मैंने चुपके थोड़ी बहुत शॉट्स जो है वो ले लिए थे एयरपोर्ट के और अब हमने सारी अपनी सीन्स हो गए हैं. सारी अभी बड़ी ख्वारी रहती है आगे, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. फ़िलहाल हम लोग जा रहे हैं वेटिंग लाउंज और यहाँ हम अपनी फ़्लाइट का वेट कर रहे थे. कुछ खाना पीना करा बिकॉज़ ऑब्वियसली उसके बगैर तो मज़ा ही नहीं है यार. ऑनेस्टली गाइस वेटिंग सक्स और मैंने जो है ना सारा टाइम अपने फ़ोन से जो है पास किया है. यहाँ मामा सो रही हैं और मैं अपने आप के ऊपर ऑब्सेस हो रही हूँ. पता नहीं क्यों इतनी बुरी लग रही हूँ, फिर भी आप ऑब्सेस्ड. ये देखिए फिर से ऑब्सेस्ड. Finally going in the plane. Hi, Ba. Bye, Ba. Hi. I'm telling you guys, लोगों के सामने व्लॉग बनाना आसान बात नहीं है. ऐसे घूरते लोग. ये चेक कीजिएगा आप, लोग कैसे घूरते हैं. ये देखिए पीछे वाली आंटी कैसे देख रही हैं. खैर हम लोग फाइनली प्लेन में बैठ गए थे एंड वी वर अबाउट टू टेक ऑफ. इट वाज अ वेरी नाइस फ्लाइट टू दुबई बट फिर उसके बाद जो हमारी ख्वारी लगी है.
Top up the life jacket by blowing into the mouthpiece and use the whistle to attract attention. In the unlikely event of a landing on water, your seats, which may be behind you. There are 10 emergency exits on this Boeing 777-300. If needed, lights at floor level will direct you to the nearest exit.
और ये रहा हमारा मील. बहुत ही ज़बरदस्त फूड था फ्रॉम कराची टू दुबई. उसके बाद अच्छा नहीं था बट दिस वाज वेरी यमी. और इसी के साथ हम लोग पहुंच गए थे दुबई. दुबई इज़ लव. So guys, we just landed at the Dubai airport and excuse my situation because it's really bad and we just got to know that we missed our connecting flight to Istanbul because the flight got delayed at Karachi airport and it the takeoff got delayed also. So we missed the flight and eventually they have shifted us to the next flight. So currently it's 2:30 p.m. here in Dubai and we have our flight at 6 p.m. So we have all this time to do some qualify at the airport. Let's see. Now we have time. Like seriously, I hate this. So Laiba, what are you feeling right now? we got all this time.
I'm not feeling mad. I don't know why. I'm like,
I am kind of mad.
No, I'm not. Like, let's have fun. It's only about 4 hours.
Look at your
Oh,
eyes.
shit.
You look so sleepy right now. I am so sleepy because I didn't
no.
sleep. Like,
8 seconds.
look at my eyes. They're literally swollen. I will just find some place and I'll just lay down and sleep. So guys,
at the Dubai airport.
So guys, now we're going back to our lounge. We just had KFC and now we're going back to our lounge. So tired. Look at my eyes, they look so dark with all the mascara and the liner. Oh my god. We just had KFC and now we're going to have some coffee and then we'll be done. Then we'll be resting for the call and then we'll be like resting and waiting for the call. So now we are finally boarding onto our next flight to Istanbul. Super excited. I just want to reach there, get to my hotel and rest. By the way, I'm gonna sleep in this flight because I didn't really sleep in the last flight. I didn't really sleep last night, so I'm very tired. I'm gonna sleep. So yeah, we're gonna board in more than half an hour, so I have a lot of time to sleep abhi as well because we are quite early. We're waiting for the flight. I hope it doesn't take too long to reach Istanbul. So guys, we're seated, sitting with Haya Bataria. Hi Haya Bataria. Live Bataria. Hi. So guys, I'm super tired and I'm not gonna vlog anymore. I'm just gonna sleep and I'll get you guys very soon. As soon as we land. Or maybe in between, but for now I'm just putting my phone away and I'm sleeping because I'm so tired. I need to take off my contact lenses and I'm sleeping. So I'll see you guys. As I said before, I take them off. I've got this. तो ऑफिशियली मैं थक चुकी थी लेंसेज तो मैंने अपने लेंसेज रिमूव कर दिए हैं. आई एम इन माई क्लासेस. ऑनेस्टली गाइज ये टाइम पास ही नहीं हो रहा था. आई हेट लॉन्ग फ्लाइट्स. दो ये ओनली 4 hours की थी. लाइक टोटल इट वाज लाइक अ 6 hour फ्लाइट बट दिस वन वाज 4 hours और मुझसे टाइम ही नहीं पास हो रहा था लिटरली. देन दे सर्व्ड अस फूड विच वाज पैथेटिक. आई डिड नॉट लाइक द फूड. दिस वाज अ मिक्स ग्रिल with lamb and chicken, but it was not good. Like I did not like it. हाँ जी, तो टाइम तो पास करना है तो ये मैं आ गई थी वॉशरूम टाइम पास करने. आई थॉट कि मैं यहाँ पर भी अपने आप को थोड़ा सा रिकॉर्ड कर लूँ. देन आई गॉट बैक टू द सीट. और अंधेरा इन्होंने कर तो दिया था लेकिन नींद नहीं आ रही थी यार. Finally landed in Istanbul. Oh my god, so relieved. I even get We just landed in Istanbul. It's super cold. Like abhi itna band hai. We were in the tunnel. Now we're in the airport. It's so freaking cold. I'm not wearing like anything inside. I don't have a jacket. I have to buy a jacket. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to the weather and everything else. So yeah, let's go guys. Can't wait to get to my hotel and change and relax first. Like I just can't wait. Let's go. So we're done with the arrivals and now we're heading out. And now we're heading out towards the luggage and then we'll get the car and I can't wait to get to our hotel. So we're done with our luggage and now we're heading out from the airport. Need to grab our car and then we'll head to the hotel. So that's the update and that's the situation right now. It's it's really bad, like seriously, I'm so done. But I just need to get to the hotel. Let's see what we do because अभी यहाँ पर 11 बज रहे हैं रात के. So let's see. We are staying near the Blue Mosque for like 2 days. Then we'll go to Antalya and then we'll come back to Istanbul and then we have the proper stay in Istanbul near Taksim. So the Blue Mosque area is, I've heard, is like not that रौनक वाला and you know चहल पहल वाला. So let's see अभी इस टाइम वहाँ पर क्या situation होगी. Maybe we'll just roam around a little bit, have our dinner and then we'll go to sleep and then कल से we'll be like properly visiting places and you know making the most out of this holiday which is happening after more than 2 freaking years. Really looking forward to it and I hope you guys will enjoy it. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. That would really mean a lot to me. And yeah, let's go. We're heading out of the airport. So here is the Istanbul airport. It's quite big and it's nice. So we're just heading out. Oh my god, you guys, it's so freaking cold outside the airport. And I'm not really having any jacket or any thick. So here's our car. And we're gonna load our baggage and leave for our hotel. So yeah, that is it for this vlog. I didn't want it to be super long. We're just heading towards our hotel and I will be making a second part of the Istanbul vlog, so stay tuned for that. I will be showing you guys around wherever we go, so stay tuned for my future vlogs. Till then, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. By the way, I loved this car. This was so bomb. So yeah, we are finally in Istanbul and reached our hotel. I'm going to show you guys more around Istanbul in my next vlog, so stay tuned. Bye bye.